The largest natural bridge is noted for the fact that it A. is made of pine, B. was climbed by George Washington, C. is 500 feet wide, or D. is more than 12 times as broad as the first bridge mentioned in the passage. Let's go through each choice and see if we can find it backed up by facts in the text. A. It is made of pine. Although the paragraph tells us that the world's largest natural bridge is located in Pine Creek, Arizona, nowhere does it tell us that the bridge itself is made of pine. Therefore, this can be marked as incorrect. B. It was climbed by George Washington. The text begins by telling us that George Washington, in his youth, climbed and carved his name high on the cliff of the natural bridge in Virginia. However, this question is asking us about the largest natural bridge in the world, which, again, is located in Pine Creek, Arizona. Because there's no proof that George Washington climbed this bridge, we can mark this as incorrect. C. It is 500 feet wide. This is a tricky one and requires careful reading. If we look in the text, we can see that the length of the Arizona Bridge is over 500 feet. That is, it's 500 feet long, not wide. Therefore, this too can be marked as incorrect. And finally, D. It is more than 12 times as broad as the first bridge mentioned in the passage. The first bridge mentioned in the passage, as we've seen, is the Natural Bridge in Virginia. And when compared to the Natural Bridge of Pine Creek, Arizona, the text tells us that the one in Pine Creek is more than 12 times as wide as the one in Virginia. Therefore, D is more than 12 times as broad as the first bridge mentioned in the passage can be marked as our final answer.